Hi, lovers. Hi, friends. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Anytime you come across this video, greetings to you. So, there is something I want to talk about killing animal in the river. Killing animal in the river. Please, this is a quick reminder to all my friends, my followers, that my previous WhatsApp number is no longer active. My previous WhatsApp number is no longer active. Add me back on 081-059-48366. Add me back on 081-059-48366. That is my WhatsApp number now. So I want to talk about killing animal in the river. This thing has been causing a lot of problems. People has been asking me, Ezenwani, what will you say about this killing animal in the river? So what I want to say is, the most important thing you need to note is the particular river you are going for that ritual. The particular river you are going for appeasement, for ritual. That is the most important thing. Rivers are not the same. Likewise, the spiritual entity dwelling in that river, they are not the same. Some river accept you killing animal for them. Why some river don't accept it? Remember I told you, always go to your village and know how it's being done. Always ask question. Elderly people, when you see them, you ask them question, they will tell you. There are some river that accept sacrifice, that accept you killing animal for them. There are some river that don't accept it. Example, Olasi River. You kill animal for Olasi, and it works perfectly well. The sacrifice will work perfectly well. When you go to Ezu, you don't kill. You give the spiritual entity, any animal, you give them alive. You give it to them alive. They know what to do with it. The crocodile can eat it. The animal can be wandering around the river. Some river are like that. So the most important thing is knowing the river and knowing the do and don'ts of that river. That is the most important thing. Some people will say, no, they don't kill animal in the river. You are polluting the river. There are rivers for sacrifice right from the olden days. They don't drink it. There are rivers. You don't drink that river. You don't drink the water from that river. You don't drink that water. It's meant for sacrifice alone. That is how it is here. Olasi River is meant for sacrifice. That is how it is in different community. So stop being confused in some certain things. I've traveled around. I've visited some rivers that you don't kill animal for them. And when you go there, you don't kill. You just leave the animal there alive. There are some river when you go there, you will kill through the Alpha self, through the Alpha you will do for that person. Alpha will tell you, that you are going to kill animal for that river. Some river, they will have a deity at the side of that river. After doing sacrifice in that river, you will go to the deity that is close to that river and offer your animal sacrifice. That is how it's being done. Ordinana is very simple. There is nothing to be confused about. Anything you are confused about, go to your village and verify it. Stop being confused online. Don't let anybody deceive you. Yes, there are river you kill animal for, and they work perfectly well. There are some you don't kill, depending on what that river wants and the spiritual entity dwelling in that river. Thank you so much. This is Ezenwani Omamili. I am at Okija in Anambra State. Please remember that my previous WhatsApp number is no longer active. If you have unfinished business, if you paid for Alpha or spiritual works, WhatsApp me on 081-059-48366. That is my WhatsApp number now. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Bye.